Meantime, you probably know April is Colorectal Cancer Awareness Month. We've done a lot of stories on that the past couple of weeks. But did you know it's also Kidney Cancer Awareness Month?
Some 81,000 new cases of kidney cancer will be diagnosed in the U.S. this year. Most people know far less about this kind of cancer. Dr. Frank McGeorge here with efforts to help change that.
Kidney cancer is highly treatable if it's caught early, but too often it's not, either because it doesn't cause symptoms or because the symptoms aren't enough to send someone to their doctor. Well, now a Canton couple hopes to raise awareness of this cancer by sharing their fight.
Yeah, no, that's not gonna work.
After 42 years together, Tom and Kathy Russell are the ultimate team. Whether they're tackling a challenging puzzle,
now we need to find one of these,
or battling cancer.
Is there a yellow on the end?
It was 1 year ago that Tom noticed something strange.
Starting to have double vision, which was a concern for driving, but also in the warehouse when I was working, pulling orders and things, I felt like I was going to fall. I felt like I was going to fall to the left.
At first, they weren't overly concerned.
I'm thinking, well, maybe vertigo or, something inner ear.
But when they went to Tom's doctor,
And she sent us to the emergency room.
A couple hours later, they came back into the room and said it was cancer.
The tumor's in the brain. And
there was tumor on my lungs,
kidney, some soft tissue, liver. Went from being 100% feeling good to having stage 4 kidney cancer. And that was hard.
That was all in an evening.
Tom was ultimately diagnosed with clear cell renal cell carcinoma. It's cancer that forms in the tubes that filter waste from the blood. Under the microscope, the cancer cells look like clear bubbles. It's the most common type of kidney cancer.
I was totally shocked. I had no idea that this had been going on inside.
In terms of the cancers that people get, it's much less common than, say, colon cancer or breast cancer, prostate cancer.
The past year has been a long journey, with Tom receiving targeted radiation to treat the tumors in his brain, along with immunotherapy and chemotherapy.
First round of immunotherapy threw him into liver failure, and then his first round of chemotherapy caused acute kidney damage, so those had to all be stopped.
But the second line of treatments are working. The tumors in his brain and one lung lesion are gone. Another lung lesion and his kidney tumor reduced by half. As they continue to fight Tom's cancer, they want to help others by raising awareness, something that's key for research funding and early diagnosis.
To me, the more people know, the better equipped they are for everything. Through some of the research, they're finding that actually kidney cancer is very responsive, especially if it's caught early, to some of these new medications and treatment lines. And so anything that we can do to bring awareness for people, is really important.
As in Tom's case, kidney cancer often doesn't cause symptoms in the early stages. But some red flags to watch out for are blood in the urine, fatigue, fever, loss of appetite, unexplained weight loss, low back pain on one side, or a lump on the side or lower back. Tom was experiencing some shortness of breath, but that was after the cancer had already spread.
The more awareness, the better.
Yeah, if something doesn't feel right, go get checked.
Together with their son Mike, they're hoping for brighter days ahead.
I'm very determined, and the medications are shrinking the tumors, so I hope this continues.
He has fought this and done whatever needs to be done, and he's going to keep on. We're in this together. He's stuck with me. He's going to be around a lot longer.
Tom continues to undergo treatment and gets scans every 3 months to monitor the cancer. The Russells are looking forward to a little travel this summer and hope to take a dream trip to Alaska next year. Now, you can learn much more about kidney cancer with this story on the health page at clickondetroit.com. Back to you.
Boy, that's a sweet family.
Thinking about
all the
Tom,
best. Yeah, exactly.